Start. All that we need to say is that the exercise of power must be for securing the ends of justice, and only in cases where refusal to exercise that power may result in the abuse of the process of law. Stop. The High Court may be justified in declining interference if it is called upon to appreciate evidence, for it cannot assume the role of an appellate court while dealing with a petition under section 482 of the Criminal Procedure Code. Stop. Subject to the above, the High Court will have to consider the facts and circumstances of each case to determine whether it is a fit case in which the inherent powers may be invoked. Stop. The invocation of the jurisdiction of the High Court to quash a first information report or a criminal proceeding on the ground that a settlement has been arrived at between the offender and the victim is not the same as the invocation of jurisdiction for the purpose of compounding an offense. Stop. While compounding an offense, the power of the court is governed by the provisions of four subsequent orders. Stop. Considering the entire facts compromise and in the light of the above mentioned judicial precedents, I believe that continuing these proceedings will not suffice any fruitful purpose whatsoever. Stop. In the facts and cases peculiar to this case, the court invokes the inherent jurisdiction under section 482 CRPC and quashes the FIR and all subsequent proceedings qua the petitioner. Stop. The bail bonds of the petitioner are accordingly discharged. Stop. The sale was conducted and the plaintiff became highest bidder for 10,000 Swiss francs. Stop. Since the sale was not cautioned by the debater or any of the defendants within 10 days, the sale was confirmed. Stop. Since the plaintiff purchased only 1/5 share, the suit is for partition and separate possession of the suit schedule property house bearing number 3 at Himayat Nagar, Hyderabad. Stop. It is further submitted that the bankruptcy of defendant number 5 has not so far been annulled. Stop. The suit schedule property is the absolute property of defendant numbers 3 and 4, and that the title, the rights of these defendants over the suit's schedule property are still subsisting under the said sale deed. Since more than 50 years they are enjoying the same. Stop. All the immovable properties situated in India are governed